Oh well, we just know that every single game we got a big target on our back. So, and honestly, we expect a very difficult game today because they are playing really good. They have a very nice beginning of the conference. They are 3 wins in a row. So we expect to have a tough game, and we had a tough game.
Thank you, Coach. Jules, as a rookie setter, how does it feel and then going up against someone like Jel Cayuna and getting the win against them?
Actually, I watched a lot of videos of her kasi from what I can remember, she's also a very good setter. So, seeing her perform that level, sobrang na-idolize her.
Jules, can you talk about dumikit yung signal paano huli tapos paano lang naging steady yung team and of course nakuha niyo pa rin yung panalo?
Well, syempre as a rookie, medyo na-pressure ako ng mga last few points. Pero I'm really thankful sa mga adults ko na they're really used to that kind of feeling. So sila po talaga yung step up ng mga last points. So I'm really happy na puro veterans na team na kasama.
Coach, when signal was threatening the end game, what did you do again and you still got to win?
Well, honestly, to stay calm and serene and to try to adjust to the difficult situation. I have a very frequent conversation with my setters. I try to explain them what is the better thing to do in that moment. So this is something that we coaches can do during the games. We cannot coach the team, but we can suggest to the setters what to do. And then obviously there is the passing. If the passing is not good, the setter can do whatever she wants. She has to make maybe a simple high bowling position 4. But when we have good passing, I'm asking the setters to act in a certain way connected to my opponent's system of blocking defense.
Coach, although Jules is just a rookie, her playmaking has led to a championship in the past conference. So just what is your initial assessment 3 games into her performance so far as a leader on the floor?
Well, Jules is continuously developing, so that's a very important part of her game. She's super consistent in all the skills, so she can do whatever everything. She is very nice in block, very nice in serve. Obviously, she's a super good setter, and obviously, I am asking a little more every single time, and she knows because she can manage the team every time a little better. And this is something that, in my opinion, is something that I really love to have as a player. So do not simply be happy about everything that's happening, but try to get a little more.
Jules, in a way na medyo nagugulat ka ba sa sarili mo kung gaano kabilis ang transition from college to pro at kung gaano kabilis yung pagtaas ng level?
Actually, hindi ko po siya na-reset talaga. Lagi ko lang minamind sa sarili ko na mag-work hard lang ako. So kahit manalo matalo, same pa rin yung attitude naman. So, ayun, siguro po, maging grateful din po sa mga nangyayari. But then again, I'm not really complacent. So, everyday talaga gusto ko i-push yung sarili ko kasi gusto ko talaga lang ma-reach yung highest potential.
Coach, 3-0 start and your next game will be against Gallery. So what's going to be the mindset heading into that match?
To be going and to consolidate our rhythm. Today we showed that when we have the higher rhythm, it's very difficult for anyone to play against us. Then when we slow down, we became possible to aggress. So we have to continue our path and to become more consistent in this, so not give any chance to our opponents to come the gap and to play on the last points of the set.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Jules. Congrats.